guys, what's up? I'm PC Mentor, and today I will show you how to fix this problem. The version of the IDM does not support this type of downloading. Try to update the IDM to the latest version. As you can see here, I'm downloading this file and it's gonna give me the error. So I'm trying for the second time and I get the same result. Now let's move to the solution of this problem. So just click anywhere on the Chrome window and click on the inspect. So now click on the pointer and just click the download icon, and here you will get on the right side the URL of the downloading link. So just copy it and now open the IDM. So just add the URL and it has been already pasted. So just simply click OK. Now click on the start download. Your file will be downloaded. If this tutorial helps you in fixing this problem, so make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.